Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Cowansville, local, and long distance movers near me. If you need a dependable and cheap Cowansville moving company, you need 3 Movers. Our team of professional movers will take care of your local or long distance moving needs. We know how to help make sure you save time, money, and energy on your move. If it's time to handle a long distance move, we have the right options to enhance your move, including packing services, moving supplies, an on time move, and upfront pricing. When you need to handle any move of 100 miles or further, you need our long distance moving services. Your move can be handled without all the stress. Are you trying to find the right Canada moving company for your local move? Do you want to avoid the heavy lifting and hard work? With the right local movers, you won't have to worry about all the hard work associated with moving. 3 Movers offers the right team for your move. Our team knows how to speed up the moving process and make it easier for you. If you need to move locally, we can make it simple for you. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Cowansville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.